So today is a day out vlog. It's not my day out. I'm just the chaperone. It is Maz's day out. So we are going to Heads Up for Tails, which is like our one-stop shop for all his needs. So it's a shopping date plus a spa date. Okay. Now the spa part is what's exciting because he's never really been to a dog spa. He's never even had a bath with anyone else. It's just been me. So I was a little nervous, but they assured me that their staff is, certified and trained and they know how to handle like first-time doggos, even if they're not puppies at the spa. So yeah, I'm hoping that goes well, or Maz will just give all of us a bath, which is fine as well. I love going to Heads Up for Tails on my own and like buying his stuff and whatever. So this is going to be an interesting date where Maz gets to shop for himself, try on some things. And they have 8 stores across Mumbai. One is in my neighborhood, so it's really convenient. Let's go. Who's getting a spa date today, Babuli? Who's my good boy? You? You're a good boy? Come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Look where we are. What's here?
Oh my God.
Who's that, Maz? What is this? You're so cute too. What is this? You like it? Go get it. Get it. I think we have a winner, guys. This is the one. I think the toy has been chosen. Oh my God, what's he giving you? You know what's there? Give him a high five. Yeah. Good boy. Whose yaki is that? Now we're running away with it. Mr. has been spoiled rotten. He's got a new toy and his favorite yakis and is just chilling. He's very at home and has made lots of new friends, no? Who's there? Go, he's calling you.
Yeah.
Should we find you a new bed? Can I sleep with you in this one? Come here. Sit. There's like so much for him to choose from. He doesn't know what to do. Tug toy, yakis, new bed. Come here, sit. You like this one, Maz, or this one? Or you like the sofa the best?
I like the couch.
Yeah, as usual. Okay, so they've given us our favorite treats, which means... Are we gonna be a good boy? High five. Good boy. Take it. Good boy. Let's try this. Let's try this one. What do you think? It matches your bandana. Are you done smelling, sniffing, taking stock? So we have caught on to the fact that we're here for a bath and now the puppy face is being made as to we don't want to go. Please don't send us for a bath. These lovely people are going to give you a bath. We're not going. We're going inside. Come on. Come. I'm coming with you. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
I carry you and take you. Come on, my good boy. Come on. We're going in for a party. It's okay. It's okay. See everything. See what's happening. Nothing is going to happen. You can see everything. See, he's your friend.
Hello.
He's your friend, no? Good boy, Maz. Good bunny. That's it. He's being such a good boy.
Yes, good. Let me clean your eyes, okay? Let me clean your ears.
So far, only I have ever given him a bath, cleaned his ears, unless he goes to the vet.
Okay. So he's okay going to the bed?
Yeah, but like this only, like scared.
Okay.
But he doesn't like water. That's the only thing with the bath. Like this part, he'll just be quiet and like, shy. But then the water comes, then...
Cold and warm water?
Warm water, yeah. He's got a lot of plaque and he never lets me clean them. So how do I do this at home?
This is the teeth gel.
Okay.
Which I'm using. Once if you use this, you'll be okay. That this teeth gel after cleaning, you'll just love to
Lick it.
lick it and
We're gonna brush your teeth, okay?
yes.
Good boy.
Good boy, Mas. Good boy. Huh?
Good boy.
Yes. Yes. It's a warm water. It's a warm
It's
water.
okay, it's okay, it's okay, Bunny, it's okay, it's okay.
It's
Mama's
okay.
right here. It's warm water.
It's warm water.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Should we sing your song for you? Maz has a bath song.
Come on.
Mazu, you want to
Come on.
singing? Should I do singing?
Hello, Mas. You can sit.
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 Sit. It's okay. Nothing happening.
Sit.
Maz. Good boy, Babu.
Good.
Now they're gonna put shampoo. Shampoo you like. Massage you like, na? You like a massage? Wow. Now you're happy you like a massage. You just don't like water, right?
You just don't like water.
Yeah, that's it. Good boy. Who's getting a massage? Who's getting a nice massage? Good boy.
So this is the grooming glove.
Your singing is so much better than mine. I usually sing Maz is a good dog, clean dog, clean dog. That's our bad song. Liking it? Yeah? Okay. Okay, relax. Relax. Mama's here. I know you don't like water, but it's okay. It's okay.
One more. Yeah. Done. So clean and fresh.
Done. Finish. Almost done, Babush.
Who did that? Who did that?
Are you scared of the dryer? It's okay. It's just a dryer like we have at home. Good boy, Maj. Who's a good clean boy? You? Are you good clean boy? Good boy, you're done. Yes, you're done. You're done.
This is a report card
Okay.
from Mars. So everything's fine except the teeth discoloration.
Yeah, that I told you. Okay.
Put some of this gel
And then
you
just-
have to brush it. Yes.
And how often should I do it?
No, you can do morning, afternoon, and
Oh, it can be
evening.
every day
It can-
also?
yeah.
Okay, so I'll do it maybe once a week. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Come on. He's like, I'm ready. I'm done. Thank you, guys. See you all. Bye. We are back. I got this good clean boy with me who looks adorable with this bow. I don't want to take it off because he looks so cute, like a little present. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about, you want your bone? Since you've been a good boy, you can have your bone. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the service and my experience and Maz's experience because it was his first ever spa experience. So I really thought the groomers were amazing and everybody in the store staff actually. For me, I feel like when you enter the store and you let your pet go free and they have such a good time there. The store staff loves animals. The groomers are so confident. And there were a few things that I wanted to discuss in detail. This was one of them, that everybody seemed to know how to handle dogs. They were so comfortable with him, made him feel really welcome. And he was so excited in the store. And even with the bath, okay, now Maz, hates having a bath. Normally, even with me, he's very anxious with water. And I was worried about that, as I told you guys that, he's either going to give us a bath or we're going to give him a bath. The other thing I loved was he calmed him by singing to him. Okay, so this is something that they do. This is something I do as well. You guys have heard me in the vlogs, my Mars's bath song. Mars is a good boy, clean boy, clean song, which is completely Besura. His singing was so sweet and melodious, and I was like, oh my god, Mars is not going to like my bath song after this. But yeah, it really made a difference, I felt, to a dog that was anxious or, was like unhappy in that environment. And they didn't make him feel like he's not safe or secure, which is what I really admired, because even though I was there, they let me help out wherever, hold him whenever he was like uneasy or whatever. But like, they were so good with him. That I had the confidence to be like by the end of it, I was like, okay, it's cool. They got this. Like they really knew what they were doing. The store and the spa were really clean, sanitized. So yeah, the products are amazing, but I will also say that the bath was a real solid deep clean. Like, I don't think I've also ever cleaned him that well with the amount of, foam that you have with the brush and the glove. And he smells so good right now. Yeah. So that was a big plus. So yeah, I will definitely recommend them for any pet needs. If you want to go to the store, if you need to pick up stuff, go with your pets. They love your pets in the store. And pick up whatever you like, or try the spa. If you have a difficult dog or a dog that is slightly anxious as well, and you're unsure or if they'll be able to manage, they can manage, because I was that person. And this is definitely not going to be Mars's last visit at the spa or the store, because it was so good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something different, it was something fun, and I think as a pet parent, it's something I felt like I was taking my child to school for the first day, if you know what I mean. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with any questions you have about the spa experience, the store, and I will happily answer them. See you guys. Bye.